High Performing Buildings, July's Roundup. Let's take a look at some of this month's high-performing buildings that commit to sustainability, occupant health and well-being, and achieving industry standards. Number 1. Stantec's new high school. In Maryland, Stantec has designed the first ever WELL Gold certified high school in the USA. The school's design features a biophilic strategy that captures nature through outside views from classrooms, offices, social areas, and stair towers. It's also a net zero energy ready facility, where the total amount of energy used by the building annually is roughly equal to the amount of renewable energy created on the site or nearby. Number 2. At Soho Place, London. In London, the first new build West End theatre in 50 years will open in autumn 2022. The new theatre is adjacent to the site of the old Astoria Theatre, which was demolished to build Crossrail. The auditorium sits directly above the new Elizabeth line and the existing Northern and Central lines at Tottenham Court Road Station. Number 3. The Plus. In Norway, the doors have opened to the world's most environmentally friendly furniture factory, the Plus. The factory is both a global showcase for sustainability and highly efficient manufacturing. The facility has been built as a Plus house, which means that the building's energy consumption is 60% lower than equivalent conventional factories, whilst releasing 55% less greenhouse gases than similar buildings. If you include the manufacturing equipment, energy consumption in the Plus is reduced by 90%. To learn more about these high-performing buildings, read the full article on our building refurbishment and fit-out category.
Read more at TWinFM.com.